Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to create WhatsApp group. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. If you tap your WhatsApp application, you can click the three dots on the upper right corner, and there you see a new group. Then you will just add the participants. Alternatively, if you go back, press a new chat icon on the lower right corner. Then just click a new group. Then just search again for the names. So for example, and if you're done choosing, just press the arrow sign. And then you can create the name of the group. The subject limit is 25 characters. You can also add emoji. You can add a group icon by adding add group icon. And choose to take a photo or upload photo or do a web search to an image. So once set, the icon will appear next to the group. Then just click the green check mark icon when you're finished. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!